handed me a mixing bowl, baking soda, measuring cups, a spatula, and food coloring. And what is this? Oh, food coloring.
The other was food gel.
And disinfecting solution for contacts. Multi-purpose disinfecting solution.
Yeah, and it has to have boric acid, I think, is supposedly in it. And there's another chemical it has to have, because not all of the contact lens solution has the same ingredients. Did you know that?
Look at this bottle of glue. It's a jug of glue.
Yeah.
White glue. Contact solution. Hi, Cindy. Baking soda and food coloring.
You're gonna need.
What are we making? Are we telling the people?
We're gonna make some slime. And we're going to make several different batches of slime. Tonight, we're just doing the slime that has the contact lens solution in it. Look at that, you guys. Excellent job.
Pouring it into the bowl.
And I brought up a clear bowl so you could see what was happening.
I didn't get the lid on that.
I got it.
Can I use a spatula?
Yeah.
Baking soda.
A half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon.
Exact measurements?
I don't know. This is science, so probably. Okay. Sprinkle it in there, and then you're going to mix that up with your spatula.